Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, this video is gonna be really important as I'll be discussing with you the main stage of UPSC examination, which is the interview stage. As we all know that a lot of toppers are not able to clear UPSC examinations in their previous years because they got lesser marks in the interview and due to that margin they missed cracking the examination. Therefore, it's extremely important that you know how to prepare yourself well for the UPSC interview. So in this video, I'll be discussing with you various tips and tricks to prepare well for the UPSC interview. I hope you have already subscribed to our channel. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. So friends, UPSC examinations IAS interview is a half an hour exercise which can change your life. A high score in UPSC interview can sometimes create a difference of more than 100 marks with fellow candidates in just under 30 minutes. Being the last round, this would give one an unassailable leads in India's toughest competition, which is UPSC. Though the final rank list is prepared by taking the sum of UPSC main marks and interview marks, very often we see that interview high scores top the final selection list too. Therefore, I'll be discussing with you various golden tips for this. First and the most basic tip is that start early. It is very important not to lose time. Start early. Don't wait for the results of the UPSC Civil Services main examination and start polishing your personality as early as possible for the interview. The second golden tip is know yourself really well. The most crucial problem with us is that we don't know ourselves fully. A human being has so many skins inside, covering the depths of the hearts. We know so many things, but we don't know ourselves. Try to know the different aspects of your personality, even hidden or unknown. If any of your personality traits do not suit an IAS officer, try to overcome that weakness so that you shine in your interview. Alright. The third tip is develop a positive attitude. There are many myths and rumors about the IAS interview. You might have bad experiences as well from previous interviews, but don't let negative thought ruin your chances. Don't worry about matters, interview board, position, questions, etc. which are beyond your control. Just hope for the best and prepare well. Alright, the fifth tip is that don't take UPSC interview in a light spirit. Be serious about the process and questions. Give respect to the board members who take your interview personality test. Never underestimate the persons on the board. They have vast experience and knowledge. Don't be too casual on the serious question which is being asked to you. Now the next tip gonna be most important tip, friends, which is do not lie. Don't say lies to impress UPSC interview board. Never create fake facts in your biodata. Very often they will catch you. As I just mentioned, they're very knowledgeable and experienced. Alright, next tip would be improve your communication skills. Improve your command over the language for UPSC interview. If you search for words in the 25-30 minutes UPSC personality test, you may run short of time to express your ideas completely. Listening to debates and news on television channels is one practical way to improve communication skills. Alright, the next step is don't stop reading newspapers. Candidates often stop reading newspapers once the UPSC main exam is over, thinking that they have cleared the examination and done well. But information about current happenings is very important for the IAS interview, just like the UPSC main examination. Have a general idea about the major happening for last 1 year. Apart from this, also be familiar with the headlines and stories of the newspapers on the interview day. Okay, let's move on to the next tip, which is revise your optional subject. As I have been also making a lot of videos and where you can find the best faculties for IAS optional, it also becomes an important aspect in the IAS interview. It is seen that many candidates tend to neglect their optional subject after UPSC CSE mains. But friends, UPSC interview panel may ask questions from your optional subject on the interview day. Hence, brush up recent happenings related to your optional subject as well. Apart from this, friends, also learn to give balanced answers. Your views should be balanced and impartial. This does not mean that you should not take a stand. Ideally, you should be without any political or social biases. Once you take a stand on controversial topics, be prepared with your justification for the same. Don't give sweeping generalizations without a proper base. Alright, So the last tip which we'll be discussing in this video is, friends, which is extremely important as well, is that now you have to dress neat as well. You have to recheck your documents and please take mock IAS interviews. As I've mentioned, mock IAS interviews, Plutus IAS is the best coaching institution which gives you the mock IAS interview preparation, is extremely good and is similarly likely the real interview of UPSC. Therefore, you can definitely go ahead and visit the website of Plutus IAS, simply type it on Google and just contact them for the mock interviews and you will be good to go for the interview preparation. And lastly, one thing, be yourself. Don't try to present before UPSC board a fake personality. Don't mug up a ready-made answer for UPSC interview. Just be yourself and express your opinion. I hope you liked this video, you got some idea of UPSC examination, and I just really hope that you do absolutely good in your interview. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.